Hello guys, this is Brian Barbosa again. I'm going to show you another example. That's the time a more complex example for using the Vocore GPIO, the microlibrary that we created on Crea for using on Vocore 2. Code I'm going to show right now is a code for using with the circuit there that's appearing on your screen right now. As you can see, there are two LEDs and one pull down resistor. What we want to do is when we press the pull down resistor, it is going to alternate between the LEDs, the one that is turned on. So let me show you the code right now. If you saw the other video, you know that right here I'm importing the micro library that we created. It's this code right here. And on the other two commands, I'm setting the 3 pins up. As you can see here, I'm setting the pin 39 as input. That's going to receive the signal from our pull down resistor. And the other two pins, the pin 40 and the pin 41, are set up as output. Those pins are going to send a signal for the two LEDs. Now I'm going to start the code with the pin 40 set it as high and the pin 41 set it as low. It means that the LED on the pin 40 is going to be turned on the beginning of the code, and the LED on the pin 41 is going to be set as low on the beginning of the code. And now I'm starting right here an infinite loop. Inside this infinite loop, I'm verifying every time, every loop, if the pull down resistor was pressed. If it is pressed, it's verified right here because the digital read function returns the state of the pin. If there is some electrical current going to the pin is on high state and it returns 1 or the equivalent to true. But if it's not, there is no electrical current going to the pin right now, the function is going to return 0, false, and we are not going to enter the condition. But let's suppose that I just pressed the pull down resistor right now, and it was detected by the condition, and we enter right here, right now. Since we want to alternate between the LEDs turned on, you think that I shouldn't be sending a command for a delay right on the beginning of the condition, but there is a why for that. And it is because when you press the pull down resistor, sometimes it shakes on the contact, and it can sometimes open and close the circuit a lot of times. And even if you press the pull down resistor just one time, and it can be detected on the microcontroller as if you were pressing the pull down resistor 3, 4, 10 times, So when you first put a command for a delay, you're saying for it to wait until the shake stops on the pull down resistor. You're not in risk of detecting a lot more than circuit closing than you actually did when you pressed the pull down resistor. And after that, after we wait for the shake to stop, there are here just 2 lines of code, one for writing the contrary digital signal on the pin 40. That means if it's high, it's going to be low right now. We use the digital read function for alternating the signal of the pin, and the same for the pin 41. So if it's high, now we are writing digital write on the pin 40, and low, since we are sending as a parameter here the digital read of the pin, in this case high, but not the digital read of the pin. And the same for the pin 41. So the LEDs are going to alternate between them, which one is turned on and which one is turned off. So that's it. This was a little bit more complex use of the GPIO micro library that we created for Vocore. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching the video.